Welcome, I'm using MEDIATEK KT107, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So I'm gonna quickly lock it and flip it over just so we can get to the port. So right here we have this little flap, and all you want to do is just lift it up and it will pop off, and in here we have space for one SD card and two different SIM cards. So either the SIM card and SD card is the closer one to the camera. So I'm gonna place the SD right in here. There we go. And then the SIM. Now as you can see, the SIM card is the biggest one, which I don't know if that won't cause some problems for me. Doesn't really want to go in, and I'm scared that if I push it in, it might actually come out of the well, it might pop out of it and get locked in there. So if I can get it in easily, yeah, I'm just not gonna try. But anyway, that's basically how you would insert it in here, and from there simply close the tray. Now this SIM that I tried to insert would have, well, it does have a pin, so normally I'll need to confirm it, but assuming yours doesn't, it should just work normally. And then as you can see, SD card is working just fine. So that is how you could insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.